Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on these MCGOR 40 LED under cabinet lights. So here we've got the manual, which we're going to go over. Here's the actual lights, and I turned them on for demonstrations. Now there is a piece of plastic. Make sure you remove this piece of plastic. Now the first thing we want to do is charge them up. It does come with the cable. It is USB-C, so you're going to plug it in right here. We do have to plug this into a wall outlet. So here I have a USB-A output adapter. So when we turn it off, that's going to be red while it's charging. When it's fully charged, it'll be green right there through that motion sensor. Okay, the second thing after they're charged, we want to mount them. Now these are magnetic. So all we have to do is mount these two pieces wherever we want the light to be. So wherever we mount these pieces, now there is two-sided tape on here. So if you want to it's so easy. What I do is I stick them on the light, pull the tape off. That way everything is positioned and lined up correctly. So pull the two-sided tape off, stick them where you want, and then you can simply just pull them off. These will stay in place. And now you can go charge them up and they'll be ready to use. If you ever, I like that they always have directions on the back. Now I could attach these directly to a metal surface. That is a magnet. Okay, let's talk about the lights. So that is a motion sensor, and we've got a button here, a slide. You're going to turn them on, means they're on all the time. Auto means it's going to use the motion sensor, but it's only going to use that motion sensor to turn the light on when you're in minimum dark, like when it's at night or there's not much light in the room. That way it saves the battery. Like it's really bright right now, it's not going to turn the light on because there's enough light in the room. But as the light goes down in your room, then it activates this. Now to go back to on, you can set different brightnesses. So it's going to walk through, there's off, there's low, there's full bright, then it walks back down. So full brightness, again, I can turn these on, but normally I'm going to have these in auto, and when it senses light, it senses motion, it's going to turn this on. So you can put these in the hallway, you know, underneath your cabinet, I'm going to put these in my closet. I got an area where I keep clothes on a shelf and I have a hard time seeing, so I'm going to put them right there. Okay, so here I'm in a dark room and I've got it in auto mode, and it's dark enough now to where the motion sensor will work. There's the different outputs. Bright is really bright. So maybe if you wanted these in the hallway, you wouldn't need it. You could probably go with low and just see how that worked. So there really was no off. It just goes really, really dim. Then it starts walking back up. Okay, let's go over all the dimensions. Overall length, 10 inches. Left to right, 1.5 inches. Thickness wise, oh, maybe about just a little over 1/4 inch. Now where the pads mount, you're going to need at least about 8 3/4. You probably could go a little narrower. Now it does come, so say you need, it does come with 2 extra of these pads. Both lights have pads that are attached to them. It does come with these little bitty wood screws with a hole drilled in the middle, so you could attach this to wood using the wood screws. Each one has its own charging cable, USB-C, 5 volts. Here's kind of some specs on it. 1.5 watts. There's the color temperature. Yeah, input voltage is 5 volts, 1 amp. And they have battery capacity is 2,500 milliamp hours. And again, here's the full manual. Firstly, the motion sensor only activates the light at night or in low light conditions. On is on all the time. Off is off. Auto. LED will turn on as soon as you are within 10 feet and 120 degrees. And it will stay on as long as they're in motion. Once you keep still or walk out, they will turn off after 15 to 20 seconds to help save battery. So we have a 10%, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.